discussions on oceanography. Okay. Last class, we talked about El Nino, La Nina. I took you through what is triple dip La Nina, and we discussed El Nino Modoki. El Nino Modoki. I used some terms. These are examples of global atmosphere ocean telecommunications. ये term याद है आपको? Why do we call these as telecommunications? Because they have impacts across large areas. Okay, you might have a phenomena in the Pacific, उसके impact दिखता है Indian Ocean में. You might have a phenomena on the western coast, the impact is on the western coast. That's why they are called as global atmosphere ocean telecommunications. Okay, one. Second, I said that this is a good example of the ocean atmosphere interaction, how they interact with one another. The conditions of the atmosphere are controlled by the surface conditions, and the conditions of the surface controlled by the atmosphere. इसमें एक question पूछा हुआ है. I'll discuss this in a couple of days from now. Okay, so El Nino on that, and question can be direct also. We started the process that this event is linked to the trade wind. What the trade wind does to the equatorial currents, what happens to the west warm, okay, Pacific pool, or the warm West Pacific pool, the warm West Pacific pool of water, and how it strengthens the El Nino, what? El Nino current. And because of this, there is a reversal of the temperature and the pressure patterns of South Pacific, East and the West Coast. Okay, a quick revision of what I taught you. I said it's all about the trade winds. For some reasons, the trade winds become slow. When the trade winds become slow, the currents which were moving from east towards west, they become slow. The water which is piling up on the west, called as the warm West Pacific pool, this starts to flow back. The El Nino current starts getting stronger. So आपको वो diagram दिखाया था मैंने. This is Australia. Okay. This is South America. The Tropic of Capricorn here. Okay. This is the equator. Okay. This, the trade winds, the warm West Pacific pool here. In the normal conditions, this is warm. In the normal conditions, this is cold. So air rises here, air comes and sinks here. What we call this cell as the Walker cell. There is a Walker cell. But the winds coming on this side, they will become weak. Then this warm water starts to move back. It moves back, strengthens the El Nino current, and this water body now starts getting to become warmer. This becomes warmer, so trade winds are slow. Even the upwelling becomes less intense. So El Nino year में क्या होगा? यहाँ पर हो जाएगा warm conditions. यहाँ पर हो जाएगा relatively cooler. I'm not saying cold, relatively cooler. This area had a low pressure, now it has a high pressure. This had a high pressure sinking, it now has a low pressure. So the Walker cell, which was moving like this, now will start moving reverse. Okay, it can also weaken, not always reverse. Okay, so agar ye strong movement hai, it can become slow, and it can also reverse. So all the conditions will become opposite. Rising air is floods and rains. Sinking air is dry conditions. Okay. Sinking air is dry conditions. Rising air is floods. The conditions of Peru will have rainfall, they will have upwelling, slowing down, the fish catch becomes less here, impacts the economy. Or La Nina mein, you have the other extreme. La Nina, the trade winds become very, very strong. So the warm West Pacific pool becomes strong. Ye area mein warm water ho jayega. This area is warm, there's a strong low pressure. In normal years, we have a strong low pressure, but in the La Nina, even stronger low pressure. It's like the other extreme. Very strong upwelling. Okay, so La Nina mein good rains here, floods here, and yahan par very good upwelling, good fish catch, extraordinary and bad for the economy because of market glut. We call that as market oversupply. So aapko karna kya hai? For the purpose of your revision, this is what you should do. Okay? आप अपने आप फिल करना है इसको. Normal year, El Nino year, La Nina year. Okay? What happens to the trade wind? What happens to the warm West Pacific pool? What happens to El Nino current? What happens in the pressure and temperature of West Pacific? Okay. 5. The pressure and temperature of East Pacific. 6. Conditions in the West Pacific. 7. Conditions in the East Pacific.